this one, Matt, what we have is something you might have heard of, Z angles. Basically, and I'll do this with the highlighter, we've got a parallel line along here, a second parallel line along there, and a third parallel line along here. And then between those parallel lines, somehow you've got to first of all look at the information we've got. We've got a triangle here, which I'll now draw around in blue, and a congruent, same size, same shape triangle down here. They are both isosceles triangles. Now we know they're isosceles triangles because we have these little markers here showing that they are equal length sides. Now what we have, and this is we'll have to go through Z angles and F angles because this is what is the easiest way of doing it. They do have big names like corresponding, alternate, but we don't need to know that. What we've got here is a Z angle. Now I'm going to mark it out with the pink. Okay, along there, down there, and then out there, Z. And the angles on the inside, which is the 38 up here, is equal to the angle on the inside at the bottom of the Z. So I'm going to get my green pen and I'm going to get quite a large one. Oh, perhaps not that large. Let's see, perhaps I would choose, yeah, that nice dark green. So this is 38 here. So we've got our Z, and then we've got this bottom angle here, and I'll arrow it in so you know what I'm talking about. That arrow is also 38 degrees, and indeed you've got another Z angle at the bottom here, so that if that's 38, then this angle here, that is also 38, because you've got a bottom Z angle there. And then if you look, because this is a isosceles triangle, you've got these two at the same length, then if this one here, where my pen is now, my little dot is, if this one is 38, then this one up here in there is also 38 degrees. And we know that because triangle ABD is an isosceles triangle, and those two angles in an isosceles triangle are equal to each other. Now again, we use our knowledge of triangles. If the angles in a triangle add up to 180, and we've got two 38s, which are double 30 60, double 8 16, which is 76 degrees. If we take 76 from 180, that will tell us angle D. So 76 from 80 leaves you with 4, so angle D is 104 degrees. Now the whole point of this is to work out angle X. So we've got the triangle A, B and D. We've got two 38s and 104, which come to 180, and now we've got, if the top one there is 104, then this one underneath here must also be 104 because they're congruent triangles. So we've got 208 degrees, and altogether now to work out angle X it needs to go up to 360. So if we take 200 away from 360, we're left with 160, but now we take away 8 from 160 to get an answer of 152 degrees for angle